boat after the second or third hurricane. I've lost count. So here's what we got. Wind came opposite direction that we anticipated. Top speed was 86 miles an hour, and it ripped this hatch off. But the guys at the marina were quick enough. They got out here and threw it back on and tied it down with a rope, and saved me from drowning inside. I appreciate them a lot. I really do. Well, we didn't have time to fix anything, so I kind of just figured out a way to prop it up with my uh, stick that I used to grab ropes with, stuff it under there and got that all worked out. And we got ourselves together and got everything ready, and we had to move on. We're headed south towards Georgetown to the Wood Boat Show, and I've entered the boat in that, and I wanted to get down there and see what that was all about. We've been going down there for a while, and it's a great, great show. It's a great weekend to be down there, and the folks in Georgetown they just bend over backwards for the folks that come down, and there's food, there's drink, there's music, there's boats, there's all kinds of uh, people there that you can ask questions and see how they done stuff and what's involved in building these things. And it's really an amazing time. We made some great friends down there, but this is us trying to get ready, trying to move on and get all this stuff done and move on to our next destination. And we're off again on our next destination, our next adventure. Come with us. Well, our next destination would be Swansboro, North Carolina. And I'd never been to Swansboro before. And I've been past it a few times, but never went in to check it out. And I'm so glad we did. That town is awesome. Need to go there if you ever get a chance. It's an incredible little place. Well, we pulled into Sloansboro and we noticed they had some city docks there, and we figured they were either free or fairly cheap. So we just pulled up and took a spot on the T head there and roped up and walked off to try to find out who you talked to get this thing. It turns out somebody had already spoken for that space and we had to move. And boy, the current can be rough there 2 times a day. So here we go. Yeah, we came in and tide was coming in straight off the inlet there and right down this little inlet. And it was a bear getting in there to start with. And we finally got up to the dock close enough to get a rope on it and tie that front off. And then I jumped over the side and grabbed the back rope and we started uh, roping everything up, putting fenders everywhere. Um, Nobody told us that that space was already spoken for. And so we did all of the stuff to get ready for the evening and go contact this guy. And then they made us untie, and we had to move right across the way there to that first slip. It wasn't spoken for. And there was only one on that side that my boat would fit in because it's a catamaran. And the tide was trying to push us into the dock. It was a wild time. we walked around that evening and found a good place to eat there, some seafood, and uh, spent the night there on the boat, and then shoved off the next morning on our next destination. We're still heading south, trying to get to Georgetown for the boat show. So join us again and see how we make out on our next one. I appreciate all of y'all watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let me know how I'm doing. This is really over my head, a lot of this stuff that we're doing, especially the video part. So let me know. All right, guys. See you guys next time.